Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a tire on your Ram 1500. First, prioritize safety by parking your truck on a firm, level surface, well away from any traffic. Make sure to engage the parking brake and activate your hazard lights to alert others. You will find your spare tire, jack, and necessary tools conveniently stored beneath the front passenger seat. Before lifting, retrieve your spare tire by assembling the extension tubes and lug wrench, then rotating the winch mechanism counterclockwise until the spare is on the ground. Next, use your lug wrench to loosen each lug nut on the flat tire by one full turn while the wheel is still on the ground. Finally, locate the proper jacking points, such as the frame rail or axle, as specified in your owner's manual. With the lug nuts loosened, place the jack firmly under the correct lifting point. Slowly raise your Ram 1500 until the flat tire is about 1 inch off the ground, ensuring minimal lift for maximum stability. Now, fully remove the lug nuts and carefully take off the flat tire. Place the spare tire onto the wheel studs, ensuring it's flush. Then hand tighten all the lug nuts. Once the spare is on, carefully lower your truck until it rests fully on the ground, then remove the jack. Using your lug wrench, tighten all lug nuts securely in a star pattern to ensure even pressure. Check the spare tire's pressure and inflate if needed, then properly stow all tools and the flat tire. Remember to recheck the lug nut torque, ideally to 130 to 140 foot-pounds, after driving about 80 to 160 kilometers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.